Rift. Rift means a serious break in a relationship. Example: a rift developed between them after the argument. Surrounded. Surrounded means to be encircled by something. Example: she felt surrounded by supportive friends. Uproot. Uproot means to remove completely. Example: they had to uproot their lives and move to a new city. Hurl. Hurl means to throw something with force. Example: he hurled the ball across the field. Conceal. Conceal means to hide or keep secret. Example: she tried to conceal her surprise. Vanish. Vanish means to disappear suddenly. Example: the magician made the rabbit vanish. Stoop. Stoop means to bend forward. Example: he had to stoop to pick up the book. Leisure. Leisure means free time for relaxation. Example: she enjoys reading in her leisure time. Occur. Occur means to happen or take place. Example: the event will occur next week. Glutton. Glutton means a person who eats excessively. Example: he's such a glutton when it comes to desserts. Mute. Mute means silent or unable to speak. Example: she remained mute during the discussion. Quarrel. Quarrel means to argue or fight. Example: they often quarrel about small things. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.